Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing between the 12-hour and 24-hour clock on Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner. Choose System Preferences from the menu that appears. In System Preferences, choose Language and Region. To the right of Time Format, uncheck the 24-hour time checkbox. This will change your Mac into the 12-hour format. When the box is checked, your Mac will use the 24-hour time format. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.